Hello everyone, welcome to our channel World of Social. Let's learn together. Class 6th History from NCERT books. Chapter 2 From Hunting, Gathering to Growing Food. Half of the chapter we already discussed in our last video. So today we will discuss our rest of the chapter. Let's start. A changing environment. There were major changes in the climate of the world with a shift to relatively warm condition. They lead to development of grassland, in turn led to an increase in the number of deer, antelope, goat, sheep and cattle. Those who hunted these animals now followed them, learning about their food habits and their breeding season. This helped people to start thinking about herding and rearing. People started fishing also. Beginning of farming and herding. Wheat, barley and rice grew naturally in different parts of the subcontinent. People collected these grains as food and learned where they grew and ripened. People became farmers. The first animal to be tamed was the wild ancestor of the dog. Where people live, they encouraged animals to come near the camps like sheep, goat, cattle and pig. People protected these animals from attacks by other wild animals. Domestication. People selected plants and animals for domestication. Plants and animals which are tended by people become different from wild plants and animals. Seeds from selected plants are preserved and sown to ensure that new plants will have the same qualities. Domestication was a gradual process that took place in many parts of the world. All the plant and animals produced that we use as food today is a result of domestication. A new way of life. When people began growing plants, it meant that they had to stay in the same place for a long time. They looked after the plants, watering, weeding, driving away animals and birds till the grain ripened. The grain had to be stored for both food and seed. They began making large clay pots or wove baskets or dug pits into the ground. Animals as store of food. They look after the animals. Animals provide them milk is an important source of food. Whenever they required, people got meat from animals. Along with rearing animals can be used as a store of food. Finding about the first farmer and herder. Archaeologists have found evidence of early farmers and herders. The most important ones are in the northwest, in present-day Kashmir and east and the south India. Scientists study evidence of plants and animals' bones. One of the most exciting finds includes remains of burnt grain through with that a number of crops were grown in different parts of subcontinent. A settled life. Archaeologists have found traces of huts or houses. In Burzahom, Kashmir, people built pit houses were dug into the ground. They found cooking huts both inside and outside the huts, which suggests that depending on weather, people could cook food either indoors or outdoors. Many tools were different the earlier Paleolithic tools, so that were called Neolithic. These tools were polished to give a fine cutting edge. Mortars and pestles used for grinding grain and other produce. Paleolithic tools were used for long time. Many kinds of earthen pots were decorated and used for storing things. People began using pots for cooking food like rice, wheat, and lentils that still are important part of our diet. Things had not changed everywhere. In many areas, people still continued to hunt and gather food. In some cases, people tried to doing different things during different seasons. Living and dying. Mehergarh is the earliest village where people learned to grow crops and rearing of animals. The houses were their square or rectangular in shape. People and their relatives prayed for the person who died. Burial is one arrangement have found in Mehergarh. The dead person was buried with some eatable things, which means to serve as food in the next world. Chapter 2. The next video will meet with the new chapter. Till then, bye everyone. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.